Crude oil just exploded over 2.5% in a day. But is this the start of massive rally next week, or are we about to get slammed back down? I'm breaking down the weekly and daily chart with crystal levels where you will see key supports and level and what fundamental could send US oil flying or crashing. If you are trading WTI or wants the edge for next week, smash the like button or stay with till the end because the final prediction might shock you. What's up trader, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a full breakdown on crude oil, WTI, US oil for the coming weeks. Oil is trading right now at around 81.78. As we speak up strong today, we have seen massive volatility this year with geopolitical swing, but right now the chart has been painting very interesting point. Let's dive straight into technicals using the exact chart, current situation and recent price. What we have seen, it is trading around 81.78. Looking on a weekly chart, what we can see, price is has been wild ride since 25 to 26. We have seen a strong recovery phase earlier, then a sharp pullback, but recently it's the low with some solid green candles. Current price is holding above the key levels of 80, 81.78 zone with resistance sitting at 83.89. Volume is still relatively low, but the momentum is shifting bullish short term. If you see from this particular angle, we have seen a swing is formed here. It's trying to rise, and from 2 weeks there is a upside movement because what we have seen states of hormones, we have seen there is a difference in the import and export thing, and the price of oil is going up. The move on this particular chart, what you can see, the gap is still pending, so you have to understand that if the price keeps sustaining this level and goes above a level of $82.4, chances will be very high that the price can touch a level of 83.26. And suppose if it keep rising above this level, probability of going towards $84.4 is there. From there we will see that it will move towards 85.37, from there a level of 86.67, and then it will move towards 88.47. And once started rising, a further upside can be seen, because see, this is the pattern which is showing an upside, so chances are very high it will cross above a level of around 84.17, which is a weak level, so it will go directly towards 87.69, and then a further upside can be seen towards higher side of around $90 and then further high. So best what you can do, you sell by around $0.2 because we have seen a good movement in this level. Okay, and if you see from this perspective or from this particular level, we have seen a good volatility in the crude prices. Okay, and chances are high that it is trying to go on the upside movement, so we can see it can sustain that level, and there is a gap is pending. Okay, but if it started coming down, the support we can see is around $80.6, and from there we will see the next support is coming at around 78.3, and then from there we can see a level of 77. This is the zone, and but once started falling below that level, we can see a level of 71.9. From there a further fall can be seen towards 70.7. Okay, and then if the price fall below that particular level, chances are high it will fall towards a level of 66.8. Okay, but if it keep moving down, a further fall can be seen. Okay, looking at a daily chart, what you can see, if you look at the daily chart, we can see that the price on the basis where we have seen it is continuously on upside, making a swing at this level. Now understand that the price now at a strong above a strong support of 79.1. chances will be very high. Suppose if it started going, it can be, there will be a probability of going towards 83.3, and if it started rising of this level, probability of going towards 87.16 is there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further high can be there, but if it started coming down, it can come down towards a level of around $78.8, and from there a further fall can be seen towards a level of 75.23, and if that didn't sustain, a level of 72.4 is there. Okay, once started falling below that particular level, chances will be high that the price can come down towards 71.5 to a level of $69.1. Again I repeat, suppose if the price started coming down, the support we can see is coming at a level of 81. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, it will come down towards a level of $79, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching 78.14 is there. Okay, and this is the level. From there we have seen a bounce back, but if the price didn't bounce back, we will see that the price can come down towards $76.12, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 74.9 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see a level of 71.81. From there a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. See, this is the daily chart. I've clearly mentioned that if the price keep moving above a level of 81.12, a further upside can be seen. But if the price keep falling below a level of 78.7, we can see the trend can shift towards downside, and once started going below 78.8, a further fall can be seen towards 76, and then from there a level of 72, a level of 71 also can be seen. This is what we have seen on the daily chart. Okay, what you have to look here is that the most important watch is the bullish scenario. If the case in that case, if it's sustained above 83.38, next probability will be, we can see around 86 to $88, or we can see a level of 92 very quickly. But on the strong support, suppose if it started going 80, then probability is high that it can come down towards 76 to $78 zone. Or if it started going below that level, we can see a level of around, on the bearish scenario, a level of 83 to 84, and a big drop towards 80 can also be seen, and we can see a retest of $72 or even lower. Okay, fundamentals, what you have to see that 80 is a psychological levels, and as well as we have seen RSI on daily isn't overbought, so there is a room for more upside. Fundamentals, oil, we have seen still dealing with recovery supply from Gulf, and after the disruption, OPEC gradually increase output. Okay, and the inventory data, US have been drawing down, which is supportive, but global overall supply is risky building late strength. A weaker dollar helps. Okay, overall the short term technical look constructive after this bounce, but don't get too greedy. Oil loves to fake out. On the next week, my call for the next week, mildly bullish bias with a target of 85 to 88 if we clear towards 83.89 convincingly, but I'll be tightening stop below a level of 80 conservatives. What you have seen that above a level of 84, we can see there can be upside movement probability, but on the aggressive side, if it started coming below a level of 78, a further fall can also be seen. There's you have it, and full US analysis for the next week. What do you think, breakout or rejection? Drop your prediction in the comments and tell me your current position if you're trading live. If you want more on gold, silver and full trade setup, hit the like, subscribe and turn on notification, and check out other videos also.